Hello, in this video I will show you 3 ways to capture screenshot on POCO F7. So first way is by using volume down button and power button, so you have to click these buttons in the same time, do it just like that. As you can see, screenshot was taken. The second way is by using 3 fingers gesture, so take your 3 fingers and swipe down just like that. As you can see, I have another screenshot. The third way to do it is by swiping down your quick options menu, and here you can find the scissors icon. So click on it, and this is another way to take a screenshot. And if you have know this 3 fingers gesture on or the buttons method, go to the settings, and from here navigate to additional settings. Now go to gesture shortcuts and take a screenshot. And here you can just enable this 3 fingers down gesture and volume down plus power. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.